Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is Suhaini binti Cikman and today I'll be sharing with you our product called Digital Case-Based Learning of Ecosystem in Facilitating Science Form 2 Students. Digital Case-Based Learning for Ecosystem or DECO is actually an interactive instructional application designed and developed mainly to help students to better understand the topic of ecosystem and also to instill environmental awareness among students. Now, this application is actually developed based on case-based learning by introducing cases as problems to be clarified and addressed through a sequence of investigation tasks. DECO is also equipped with various types of Web 2.0 tools to enhance students' engagement throughout the learning session. Now, these are the models and theory which were used as guidelines during the development of the product. The first one is we are using constructive alignment model by Biggs 2014, backward design, and of course case-based learning by Harriet 1998, constructivism theory, and the whole process of developing the product we are following the AD model, and also curriculum and assessment standard document science form 2 which was issued by Ministry of Education in 2016. Now, maybe some of you might ask, why ecosystem? There are various topics in science subject, but why ecosystem? The first one is because of environmental problems worldwide, as reported by World Health Organization. Every year, 4.2 to 7 million people suffer due to air pollution. And then, of course, environmental problems in Malaysia as well. For example, which was occurred in Klang Valley, and also the Kim Kim River tragedy in 2019. All of this because of illegal chemical waste dumping. Okay, and then the third reason is because there is no specific subject that we can call as an environmental education in Malaysia. As such, this DECO is hoped to be used as a tool to teach our students about this topic. And then the last one is because of knowledge of ecosystem topic itself amongst from two students. Okay, now the students' achievement in classroom assessment or PBD shows a worrying score because there is no score for TP6 and TP5. Okay, hopefully this interactive application can cater the issue accordingly. Now, these are some of the uniqueness of this product. The first one, it is user-friendly. Instructions are clearly shown or explained in the product. And it applied case-based learning where various studies showed that this type of learning is able to improve students' achievement. It also fund learning and promotes self-regulated learning where it needs no guidance from teachers or parents. And zero cost can be accessed anytime, anywhere. This is the main interface or the home page of the product. Okay, and then the introduction. This one is introduction of the product. Next is learning standard and learning content. And this one is learning activity where case-based learning is being applied. And these are the questions that students will have to answer when they have completed watching the video regarding case-based learning. And after that, they will have to upload their answers or their completed tasks into the Padlet. These are some of the examples from students' responses. And the last part of this product is learning assessment. This is the part where students can assess their own understanding of the topic. Okay. Now, DECO has actually been evaluated by a panel of experts. The session was carried out via Google Meet. Okay, the data collected during evaluation session were then analyzed through intra-class correlation coefficient as shown here. It has a 0.992. The data shows a high degree of consensus among panel of experts towards this product. The next one is the mean value of the experimental group and control group. The difference of mean value shows that there was a significant improvement in the achievement during post-test. Now this one is ENCOVA test on the method of teaching process. It shows that there was a significant relationship between traditional teaching without interactive application as compared to the alternative instruction using DECO. It can be concluded that the method used does significantly affect students' achievement. Now, these are some of the suggestions and recommendations by the panel of experts. All experts had actually acknowledged that DECO has a good pedagogical tool and could be used as a tool to enhance student understanding of the topic and also instilling environmental awareness to them. DECO is actually being registered as an intellectual property, as we can see here, in the certificate issued by Intellectual Property Corporation of Malaysia, dated May 27th of 2021. As a conclusion, right, all experts had agreed that DECO is able to help teachers to teach science, specifically for the topic of ecosystem, and also helping to stimulate environmental awareness among Form 2 students. As such, this product can be used to teach students of the topic. With that, I end my presentation. Thank you.